Xiaomi has officially released the G Pro 27QI 2026 gaming monitor for the global market. G Pro 27QI is a 27-inch Fast IPS display at 2560 by 1440. The spec sheet lists a 180 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond GTG response time, and VRR support. The backlight uses mini LED with 1152 local dimming zones. Xiaomi lists 4 local dimming modes in the OSD: high, medium, low, and disable. Peak brightness is rated at 2000 nits. Xiaomi says the 2000 nit result comes from a 10% to 30% HDR white window test, with brightness set to 100 and dynamic backlight set to high. The same footnotes also mention 0.0001 nits measured on a full black screen, with dynamic backlight enabled for color. Xiaomi lists 100% sRGB, 99% DCI-P3, and 99% Adobe RGB coverage. The monitor is advertised with average delta E less than 1 color accuracy and a calibration rapport. Xiaomi also lists 1.07 billion colors, with 10-bit output via 8-bit plus FRC. For gaming features, the product page calls out AMD FreeSync support. Xiaomi also advertises a crosshair overlay, a dark area enhancement setting, and low blue light certification from TÜV Rheinland. The monitor is now listed for sale in Australia via Xiaomi's official store. The listing shows 499 Australian dollars as the current price, with 699 Australian dollars shown as the marketing price. Xiaomi has not listed release timing for other regions yet. And that's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.